Welcome back to the Walkthrough Wednesday series. This week, Christopher is taking us through the 2026 Viking 3K Series 17SBH. This lightweight, family-friendly travel trailer is loaded with smart features and upgraded comforts new for this year. Let's check it out. Weighing in at just under 3,000 pounds, it's easy to tow with most mid-size SUVs. Step inside and you'll find a thoughtfully designed floor plan, including cozy rear bunk beds, a convertible booth dinette, and a front queen bed with overhead storage. The kitchen is fully equipped with a 2-burner cooktop, microwave, upgraded seamless countertops, a stainless steel sink, and a 10.7 cubic foot 12-volt fridge, perfect for weekend getaways or extended trips. The 2026 upgrades package includes General Electric appliances, electric brakes, scissor jacks, solar prep, and a friction-hinge entry door. Enjoy added comfort with the 13.5K BTU AC, easy-to-clean residential-style vinyl flooring, and tons of cabinet storage throughout. Thanks for sticking around for another Walkthrough Wednesday. Drop a like if you enjoyed this unit, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any walkthroughs. The 2026 Viking 17SBH is compact, capable, and ready to roll. In stock now at In the Hunt Trailers.